Cheery! Connor!
Hey! Wreck him!
Ready, gentlemen? Right. Hang on. Right hand up. Connor score. Ready? Fight!
Yeah. Oh, face.
Make it pay for it! Fight!
Come on, John. Kill him.
Right.
Oh, yeah, it's still been.
Go on.
Right. 1-all. Ready? Hang on. You know the rule. You don't start threatening each other till it's that point. There is waving at swords. There'll be crushing in the arms and tapping at the feet. Sorry, Dad! Ready, gentlemen? Fight! Jordan hit first.
Yes.
2-1. Ready?
Think of the me.
Fight!
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Connor, strike! 2-all.
Come on.
Ready? Fight! Strike. Jordan struck. Yes. Jordan struck. 3-2.
Yeah, he does that.
Ready? Fight! Definite Connor score there.
Oh.
3-all.
Come on.
Come on,
Ready?
Jordan.
Master at Arms.
Pull your finger out. Jordan score.
Yeah.
Hey! Come on, bash your shield in.
Ready? Fight!
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh.
4-all.
Oh.
Nice. Come on.
Ready
It's
now.
gonna be bouncing about. You got this.
Jordan.
I've been bouncing the sword.
That looked to me like Jordan struck first. Yes. Jordan is our winner.